Every session, you have to start at least one good habit and do it consistently. This is your Do It task. Today, your task is to analyze a slip that you've had during this program. The first step is to recognize that you've slipped. Take a few minutes to think about the slip. Pause the video whenever you need to think. As we did in the lesson, acknowledge the slip. Don't be discouraged if you slip up and eat some unhealthy foods. 1 or 2 small snacks are better than an entire meal. But don't use it as an excuse to start consuming unhealthy calories. Identify the trigger that caused the slip. Were you at home late at night when you had an unhealthy snack? Were you feeling down or angry? Were you watching TV when an ad for food came on? Were you at a party? Did you see or smell a tempting dish? Or did you skip a meal and overeat at the next one? Start to be aware of what regular problems you have and think how to avoid or overcome them. As we did with Miss Lee, describe the problem in detail. Identify the action chain and links. Brainstorm your options. Make an action plan to avoid the problem. Brainstorm solutions to avoid the slip. Remember that the solutions should be SMART. That is, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and timely. Think positive and seek positivity by calling your supporter, if needed. Recommit to your goal. The time to recommit is now, so you can start fresh. When you succeed in avoiding the slip, celebrate your success. When you succeed, don't forget to reward yourself by doing a non-food activity that you enjoy, like watching a movie with your supporter, or having a cup of tea and sharing your success with him or her. Print the problem flowchart and your action plan and place them somewhere where you will see them regularly, at home and work, perhaps in a place where you may be tempted by unhealthy foods. Or share them with a friend, so that they can help you if you feel tempted to break your healthy habits. Remember that everyone slips, and problem solving is a process, so don't give up. Motivations. Write down motivations that will help you to complete this Do It task. For example, why do you want to analyze a slip? Write down one reason and be specific. I want to analyze this slip because... Turn your answers into a motivational statement. In order to avoid or anticipate this slip, I will... Write out one affirmation to create a positive mindset for this program. I can do this, today, tomorrow, and for the rest of the week. For each answer, make sure that it is SMART, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, timely. When thinking about your goals and motivations, keep the following in mind. Challenge yourself, but don't aim for the impossible. Use positive language. At a minimum, look at your goal and goal actions at the start and end of the day. If you get discouraged, review your goal and actions and fine-tune them if needed. If you achieve the goal, reward yourself with a non-food treat. By adopting these good habits, you are improving your long-term quality of life. So be motivated and aim to make them a regular part of your life.